Hey y'all, look. It came again. And I am sitting, like I'm sitting at the desk where I record. I'm upstairs. This is a blue heron. And it's, I looked it up the other day, the meaning of it. I'll write it down below. But it's really good. It's like spirit is with you at this time, guys. And this is the third time this heron has come in like the last 2 weeks. Look at it, guys. I can't zoom in any further, but I know if I get up from this chair or if I make too much noise, he's gonna fly away.